Well, it's important to remember everyone affected by this shooting. Of course, we continue to keep in our thoughts and prayers the first responders. We're talking about fire, EMS, the dispatchers, and of course the police officers too.
Absolutely, and we spoke with Virginia Beach Police Chief Jim Severa to talk about how his officers are working through this tragedy.
We have really spent a lot of attention in the last few years in worrying about officer wellness. Not only the physical wellness of an officer, but the mental emotional wellness. It's kind of just becoming to the forefront of policing that after X number of years of working cases, not of this size, but of working cases every day, it begins to build up. To walk into something like this is absolutely horrific for the average person. The officers, again, they put that aside. They went and they engaged with the suspect as quick as they could. Basically, they saved a number of lives inside that building. That in and of itself is a big emotional challenge the rest of their life. They took a human life. He did what he did, but then they took his life, and they will remember that forever. And that's something that maybe the general public needs to understand, that it's not where we are now, where we could stop, we could retake something. It's live, it's real, it's at that moment.